What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be playing Animal Company's new update. And yes, I could have done this video yesterday, but since Big Scary update came out for level 25, so yeah, we're doing Animal Company today. Tomorrow, we're going to do Capuchin, since I heard it got a new update. Alright, so if you just go behind here to the lake, you will see this right here. I was just in the public wondering what this is, and people started throwing things. But so you can get that. It's probably going to be rare in the future. Let's see. Money makes boss happy. What the? Wait, is that a boat? Yup, boat is confirmed. We're gonna get a new map that's gonna take us over there. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, they brought back the reindeer. Now let's get into it. Who wants to go to zero gravity to get uranium?
What you guys doing? You reporting people?
Alright, I think we need more than
I don't need to get uranium though, I just want to try practicing because it's been a long time.
Hey, here's your items. Here is your items. This. Here is your
I'm
items.
coming!
Here is your items.
My God, guys, it's Cedric.
Oh, I'm good. You can have that.
Cedric.
Yo, who wants to go to zero gravity? Who wants to go to zero gravity?
I do.
I do.
Alright, let's go.
Let's all
I
go in
do.
a big group.
I do.
Now zero gravity. But I want to come.
Beautiful.
Hey, do you guys know?
Let me get those.
He's just too poor that he has to skip.
Nah!
How is he?
Research squad! Oh my goodness. Alright.
Not
Let's wait for
random,
more
not
people.
random,
Let's
not
wait for the
random.
others. I don't want to be alone.
Yeah, I think Mimic is chill.
I'm coming
I don't-
to take a cup.
Okay, we're waiting.
My bad! My bad!
One and two buddies. There is.
If I don't come to it, I'm gonna be waiting after after the first red light.
These big chunkers. There's some bad.
Big dream.
I need to go!
What do you have?
Wait.
Honestly, I'm a little nervous. It's been a while since I prefer a big group of people.
Not bowling lip.
Bro, the last time I've been to zero gravity
You're poor.
was like my last video, but my first time going there is when suitcases were out.
This is
But we're trying to go to zero G, so.
Maybe we can get more.
Bro, the
it's-
Because they're gonna go landmine.
Chad, and after this, we need to get 100 silver, bro.
Anyone go? Has anyone got a landmine? Oh, it's raining.
I'm out
Done
here!
with the call.
Yo, whoever's with me, just jump down. Just jump down.
Mine. I made it. I made it to the zero.
Pick that up. Goodness. We got a big chunk.
Arrow. Big black one.
No, we're not looking for the small ones. We're looking for decent chunks.
Brother,
Who wants this, actually? Who wants it? That's a box. Box. ammo. Open it. A bomb. Alright. Yeah, hurry up. Who's it?
Who's reborn?
Hurry up, hurry up. Yes! Alright, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, it's that's why I usually don't wear the hat as much, because it gets hectic. It really does.
Yeah.
It-
Wait.
Yo, reborn!
Hey, give it up. Hey.
Yo,
It's a mess over here. Ah!
everyone say goodbye to reborn. Everyone say goodbye to reborn.
Who is that?
I'm 30.
See a nut. Oh my
Yo!
That'd be crazy.
Yo.
Dude, bro, I don't need it, man. I got plenty. You guys
Yo,
have been so generous.
reborn.
Oh, reborn.
I love that.
Reborn.
Hey, reborn.
I'm also doing it.
Reborn. Hey, reborn.
Reborn, I'm doing a video also about the new update.
Take a landmine.
Dude, heck yeah, bro.
Hey,
Hope we get some
reborn.
million views.
Reborn. Box even the landmine. Make sure to remember. Make
I'll
sure
put
to
it in a box
remember.
together, and they'll be in my safe forever.
Reborn, can I add you? Reborn, can I add you?
What's it called? Reborn.
Yeah, add me up.
Reborn. Hey,
Guys, it's reborn. It's reborn.
Oh, I haven't added. Oh,
I'm feeling this dude.
Believe me. Look at this. Look at this.
yo, who wants to go to mines? Who wants to go to mines to get silver? Who wants to go to mines to get silver?
I literally just got beat.
Alright.
It's reborn.
Okay,
let me-
anyway,
here,
guys, this is the end of the video. I want a different pickaxe.
I have reborn added. Let's go. Everyone
Yeah.
has reborn added. Anyway.
Who the heck is
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
He's a famous YouTuber.
Bro, I can't believe I actually got him added.
Me too, bro. That's crazy.
Could you explain to me?
It's kind of spooky. Wait.
I think so.
Hey, Mimic. I'm not gonna bother you.
We all know.
Actually, yeah, we're gonna bother you. You're gonna get flashbang. Ah! Oh, nice. I got a big chunk. Of silver.
Wait. Say
Another big chunk. Let's go.
yes. If it's
There's a whole lot of big chunks over here.
Right.
actually no, I'll split crazy.
Oh my
off.
goodness. Alright.
Who's heard of crazy off before?
Trying to get a backpack full of big chunks. Oh, I got a common coin. Those are not big chunks, but. Alright. No! My big chunk! There we go. Man. Already halfway there. Now you going there, you going there, you going there.
Hey guys!
I will thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And like and follow to my TikTok. And yeah, goodbye guys. See you guys later.